Hey, what's up everybody? Dr. Mike here, and I'm excited to be teaming up with iAbunda today to tackle a question we get asked a lot. When it comes to weight loss, are chia seeds or flax seeds the way to go? Both of these tiny powerhouses are packed with nutrients and have gained a reputation as superfoods. But are they all hype, or is there real science backing their weight loss benefits? That's what we're going to uncover today. We'll break down the pros and cons of each, compare their nutritional profiles, and give you the knowledge you need to make informed choices for your health journey. So, if you're ready to settle the chia seeds versus flax seeds debate once and for all, stick around. First up, let's talk about chia seeds. These little guys are nutritional overachievers, packing a serious punch when it comes to fiber, protein, and those healthy fats we know as omega-3 fatty acids. One of the biggest ways chia seeds can help with weight loss is by promoting that feeling of fullness. You know, that satisfied feeling that stops you from reaching for unhealthy snacks. This is because chia seeds are hydrophilic, meaning they can absorb a significant amount of water, up to 10 times their weight. Think about this. When you eat chia seeds, they form a gel-like substance in your stomach, adding bulk to your meals and slowing down digestion. This keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing those pesky cravings and preventing overeating. But it doesn't stop there. Chia seeds are also a great source of protein, which plays a crucial role in weight management. Protein helps build and maintain lean muscle mass, and muscle burns more calories at rest than fat. On top of that, protein also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes that can lead to sugar cravings and overeating. So, incorporating chia seeds into your diet can be a great way to support your weight loss efforts. Now let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are an excellent plant-based source of these healthy fats, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can actually interfere with your body's ability to lose weight effectively, so keeping inflammation in check is important. Plus, omega-3s are great for your heart, brain, and overall well-being, so adding chia seeds to your diet is a win-win. Now let's move on to flax seeds, another nutritional powerhouse that deserves a spot on your plate. Just like chia seeds, flax seeds are high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, making them a valuable addition to any weight loss journey. But here's where flax seeds really stand out. They contain a unique group of plant compounds called lignans, which can help with weight management and hormone balance. Lignans act as phytoestrogens, mimicking estrogen effects, helpful for women experiencing hormonal imbalances. This can be particularly helpful for women going through menopause. Hormonal imbalances can lead to weight gain, particularly around the midsection, and flax seeds may help mitigate these effects. Some studies suggest that lignans may also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Flax seeds are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, key for digestive health and weight management. Soluble fiber absorbs water, forming a gel-like substance that promotes fullness and regulates bowel movements. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, helping things move smoothly through your digestive system. And just like chia seeds, flax seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Your body converts ALA into other omega-3s, essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. So, there you have it. We've explored the amazing world of chia seeds and flax seeds and their potential benefits for weight loss. Both of these superfoods bring their own unique strengths to the table, making it a tough call to declare a clear winner. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a seed that's versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet, chia seeds might be a great option. But if you're particularly interested in the hormone balancing benefits of lignans, then flax seeds could be the way to go. No matter which one you choose, adding chia seeds or flax seeds to your diet is a healthy choice.